Hello guys, welcome back to another Hyperthalamus video, and today, my eye. Don't, don't worry about me, I'm just lazy to, but, what the fuck? Where did you come from? What the fuck? I don't remember you! Nah, who cares? Today, I don't know what to do. Guess I'm so bored. Friends never still out. Jesus Christ, why? You know what? Let's just have some fun. Let's go to let's let's see. Let's go and get let's go and try to find another camp because I'm not yet finished. What the hell? Ah, I see. Come on here, you chicken! I'm gonna eat lan lan. Money. What's this? Oh, a swamp? Have I took a swamp now? No, I haven't yet. Yeah, I haven't yet. Ooh, mama's kita. Okay, I won't do the dumb mistake again. Full set? Oh no. Ooh, mama, see ya. You ring the bell. La 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 lava. Chicken. Steve's lava chicken. Now. Ooh, mama, see them. Crispy Sam. Oh, they're ganging up on me. They're ganging up on me. No, no, they're ganging up on me. They're ganging up at me. I hate gangs. This is your grave. You're protecting nothing. You don't realize that you're protecting absolutely nothing. Jesus Christ, what are you even protecting? Your wife? La 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 la. Chicken. Steve Saba chicken, the best it's down. Oh, mamacita. Okay, wait. Yes! Finally! I have completed my 3 books. Wait, what? Okay. La 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 la. Chicken. Steve slap chicken. Down. Oh, mama. What does matcha do again? I forgot. Boo-hoo. You guys in reaction time. Oh, nah. What the heck? What the heck? You guys have. Oh, wait, I saw this. Let's see. Hell. Jesus Christ! Chicken. Steve's lava chicken is the best in the town. Oh, mamacita. Oh, mamacita, yo. The bell. Hmm. Top art. Top art. Crisp. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what this book is all about. No, use bad kitty. The tree is 4 pages. The three sisters did not offer power, but instead gave Lord Lich the most dangerous gift of all, knowledge that could bend the will of the swamp itself. They whisper they whispered forgotten truths into his ears, secrets of lost paths, hidden caves, and the ancient ways of the creatures who roamed the swamp long before him. With each secret revealed, Lord Lich's understanding of swamp depend and so did his control over the creatures that lived there. The more he learned, the more he realized some truths were too dark to share, and some secrets were meant to be kept even from his followers. Exorcist Sword. I knew they were near when the temperature dropped suddenly. Only frostbite bandits could bring this kind of chill. King Win King Wing had grown obsessed with the three sisters, ancient beings who had once granted Lord Lich forbidden knowledge from the heart of the swamp. Frostbite bandits believed that unlocking the sisters' secrets would give them the power to control all the lands between the mountains and the swamp. I could see their icy eyes scanning every corner of the swamp, but the sisters' magic isn't something anyone can just take. It comes at a price. And what comes at a price? To thrive, we must first learn to suck the life what from what is weak. The swamp teaches us this: the stillest water hold the deadliest creatures. Well, it's true. Well, that's true. Amoebas in the Black Mire Bandits, every member is like the Lich, patient and unyielding. No one escapes the grip of the Lich. Not the strong, not the quick, and not the wise. But I defeated you guys in the brink of my eye. Okay, wait. I haven't seen a sand bandit, but obviously I have to do something first. Oh, okay. I got my memory booted up again. Uh, I got my memory booted up again. I just remembered why I put this here. It's another museum. Games that have Video games that have books are interesting, and that's why I would love to collect video game video game books even when they are not real. It has nights. It tells a secret story never been told by sight. Should put you here. Yeah. Crispy and juicy. Mama, it's a lava attack. Where's the other books? Is it here? Yeah, I think I put it here. Yeah. La 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 bad. Chicken. See, a chicken with the What is power when no one deserves the truth? It's almost perfect. Perfect. But that goddamn blossom. Blossoms are hard to find. Why is it so... Anyways, guys, that's all it. Bye.